welcome back to Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And today is the final day, hopefully, of the Viper. So we're gonna get it all buttoned up together, put it all together, get all the little stuff. We'll order a couple of little parts that should come in today. We got the front bumper we got put together, the fog lights. We actually got a front lip for it. A couple little things inside. We got the, put it all together.
Oh yeah,
so,
she's dirty. We're gonna get her cleaned up though. And get on the road.
Then we're gonna adjust the suspension on it.
Getting dusty, we gotta get outside. Give it a good wash.
There's a lot of little work, but let's get to it so we get it done.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, so we got the panel, the rocker molding on, but we forgot to install this guy. We actually had to order it. And we forgot to put the heat shield in. So let's take off this rocker. You guys can see it's missing a little panel right here. We didn't know that, so we ordered it, it came in. Let's take this rocker panel off, install that, and then we can button it up. So let's get to it. Okay, here we have it. We got the rocker panel off. As you guys can see, it's missing it. So let's put it in. A couple bolts and nice and easy. Let's do it. Okay guys, so finally let's get this bumper off. The fog lights came in, so let's put the fog lights in. We got the little latch we can put in. So let's get that going. And here's the OEM latch we had to order because we broke it when we were taking it apart. And look at that. And it goes right here under the bumper. So we'll install that, then we'll put the bumper together, and we can get this hood latched back on. So let's get to it. Alright, so here we have it. We got the fender liner in. Just a step closer. So we got the rocker on. We're gonna do the front fender liner, front bumper. Just like that. Alright, so here we have it. We got the rear all lined up. Turned out really nice, so we have no damage in the suspension. But unfortunately on the front, we still have suspension damage on the driver's side. So we're going to get an upper control arm and see if that fixes it. But the passenger side looks all good. So at least it's drivable now. Let's get it off the lift and maybe go for a drive.
Alright guys, so my brother got the AC filled up, the alignment's done, ready for our first test drive. Nice, we're gonna get this thing on the road. I can't wait to see what it does. It's a little wet outside, so we're gonna take it a little easy, you know, nothing happened, but...
And it's cold.
It is cold. It's definitely cold. We're feeling it. But we're ready for our first test drive. Let's get it out there. Ooh. All right, guys, so that's a wrap for the Viper. We got it done, but unfortunately we get it done by the SEMA bill deadline. Sucks, but waiting for that front bumper and everything like that. It is what it is. I mean, what are you gonna do about it, you know? But yeah, it drives great, sounds great, handles awesome. Really happy about it. It's a Viper, that V10 out there on the road. It looks amazing. Really happy how it turned out. Let us know what you guys think about it. Yeah, sounds good. I think that's a wrap for the Viper.
Let's go in the office, guys.
Yeah, and find a giveaway winner. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're back in the office. Time to pick our winner for the giveaways. Check out our custom Viper signs. Do all sorts of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy your custom made signs. Let's find our first winner. Let's do it. We got 227 comments. Winner number 1 is Just Matt. Paint job on Viper. Love it. Hard to. Thank you. I think it turned out great too. It really does look good.
It really does, yeah.
I like the tuxedo black on it and everything, the yellow.
It looks better in person.
It really does.
Once it's washed up.
Oh yeah. On point. All right, Just Matt, go ahead and email us your address and we'll send it over to you. Find our second winner. Rebuild it. Viper looks awesome, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. There's a lot of support from y'all. You know, can't do it without you. Thanks for getting out there. You know, go ahead and share this video, share with friends, let other people know.
Also, you guys follow us on Instagram.
Yeah.
We do post a lot of sneak pics of stuff we're doing.
Yep,
before it even comes out on YouTube.
Like I said, this is our last video for the Viper. We got it finished. So stay tuned for our next build. We've got some exciting stuff coming. We've got a lot of projects, honestly. We just don't know what to post first and what to get out there, but we'll do it. 3, 2, 1. Ruslan R. Viper. Congrats, bro. You're a winner. Thanks, guys, for staying tuned. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Until next time.